Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add custom field. So here you can see that I have added the custom tab with a custom field. Okay, so how this gonna be possible? Like how we are going to do that in using the modifier class. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So here we are using the customize using the modifier class. So customizing the product creation form, so basically whatever we have the form we are going to customize on the runtime, right? Not following the other aspects. So we are using the modifier class to you and and here you can see that the Magento catalog data provider to create the form responsible for the data. This Magento catalog data provider product provider that is responsible for the meta preparation of the product form. Okay, so how this gonna be achieved? So for this you need to add data provider. So I have created the tab one. So in the UI section we have data provider, product, form, modifier and custom.php. So here we have added some of the modify data and modified data first, then the data and modify meta. We are using the test arguments over here. So which classes we are going to add, right? And which sort order where we need to put the this tab that is search engine optimization 50, and the children that we are going to use the custom data, right? So this is how we are using the modifier. So what in your so let's check what exactly the modifier class should be used when static declaration is not applicable. For example, in case when additional data should be loaded from the database. Also, modifier is a place where you add validations to the display only certain field for the certain product types. So we can also do that also, we can use if the product is simple configurable, so whether you want to hide this field or show that field, right? On the behalf of it we can do that. Okay, so here we have modify we add the pool of modifiers is catalog data UI. So it says that Magento catalog UI data provider product form modifier pool, that is virtual type we have defined injected to the data provider. So with the help of virtual type data override we are injecting this form field, right? So you can see that if I go to the custom tab etc admin html di.xml. So here with the help of the virtual type, right? Magento catalog UI data provider product form modifier pool, we are going to use this custom modifier. Okay, so you can see that the see, so we are able to add above the search engine optimization and the sort order should be 15, and this is and modify error, and this is basically this is the virtual type that we are using admin html di dot, right? So after this you can see that we are able to successfully able to create this input field with the help of the modifier class, right? So that's it. That is all for the modify class. So whenever you want to add such kind of things on the forms, so you can use that modifier class. So we the Magento has already given you some of the you know f- classes. So you can pick it from here, that we have the data provider that is advanced pricing. It has attribute set, EAV, form modifier. You can see that if I go to the you can open this one, any of them, and you can see that the path is vendor. You can see advanced pricing. So this is already given in your vendor folder, so you can take the reference from here, and how to add this you can take that from here. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. So you will get I think you learn what is modifier class, and you can also do some of the research and all for the how to create some of the form fields and save the data respectively and show the data. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.